Hey everybody, Josh Ryan here. We got the train coming. Let's check it out. Here we go. Oh, that's gonna be into the train, but it won't last long, man. Time is running out. DBU, I see you. Alright, that's the end of the r123-03. It came from the Ramazan Run, loaded with the coal at the in Port, West Virginia area, and headed to destination to the Grafton Yard in Grafton, West Virginia, in Taylor County area. All you have to do is leave the comment section down below and tell me what you think. Alright, that's all for now. We'll see you next time. Out.